Yeah. Yeah. You should. Just let him go, man. Please record all of this. I've done nothing to break no law. Man, come on, man. Don't grab me. Why are you grabbing me, man? Come on, man. Come on. No, there is no law. There is no law for leaving the car, but I'm in the store. I'm in the store, then you think I just seen me. Come on, you just harass me. Come on. Come on. Come on, man. Now, what's the point, man? There's no point. He's
trying to hurt this man. He's trying to hurt this man.
Jesus.
Oh my God.
Man.
I give up. I give up. I give up. I don't have the address. I left 99.
I give up. I give up. I give up, man. I give up, man. I give up, man. Get off my arm. Come on, man. I give up, man. What the fuck, man?
Like he really just
what the fuck, man?
Come
on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man.
The man was in the store. The man.
Come on, man. Come on, man.
His car keys out, and
Come on, man.
Come
on, man. I ain't reaching for shit. I ain't reaching for shit.
No, did you pay for it?
Yeah.
Come on, man.
And the address is 1199 43rd.
This shit is crazy, fool.
It's not what happened.
Did y'all see
this shit? Here this whole time.
Yeah, we watched.
The whole time. I watched it.
Yeah, we were right here too.
Did y'all? It's all on film. I didn't do shit.
He stuck his hand in that man's car. Period. He shouldn't even done that. That's private property.
I give up, man. Come on, man. Get these fucking cuffs off, man. You break them. I'm getting cuffs off. For what? I ain't getting nothing, man. Man, come on, man.
God damn.
Yeah, I'm at work. So
hey, that number 916-217-8861. Call my girl right now.
Said sir.
Damn. ID, please. Green 67.
I didn't break no law. Give you an ID for what?
I have a subject stop.
What? You don't have a.
So you have your car running.
That has nothing to do with what's going on.
It's a misdemeanor to leave your car running.
That has nothing to do with what's going on, man.
Plus you had your stereo loud to where it can be heard. I need your driver's license, please.
That has nothing to do with what's going on, man.
Driver's license, please.
Why am I getting harassed?
I've already told you your car was running.
That's against the law to have your car running? I'm just asking. I'm just asking. It's against the law to have your car running.
Yeah, if you have another unit, that'd be great.
That's all I'm asking.
It is against the law to have your car running when you're not in it.
Oh, I'm standing right there, though, sir.
I understand that. I understand that.
Of harassment right now. Witnesses of harassment right now.
I don't need the beeper, just another unit.
Witnesses for harassment right now.
Okay.
So just
identification.
For what? I didn't break no law.
Your car was running.
I didn't break no law.
I'm trying to tell you that you broke the law.
Please send. If I'm in trouble, I want a lawyer.
Set your phone down.
No.
Set your phone down.
I'm gonna record.
Set your phone down. I'm going to detain you.
Detain me for what? What are you detaining me for?
Because.
Do y'all see this shit?
Hey.
Look at this shit.
Hey.
What are you detaining me for?
I've already told you, sir.
What are you detaining me for?
I've already told you, sir.
Man, come on, man.
You want me to call somebody?
Yeah, call the police. Call the police, man.
Okay.
Call the police, please. Call the police. Nah, come on, man.
Set your phone down before it gets heard.
For what, man? I didn't do nothing wrong,
I've already told you. You had your car running. I'm trying to explain something to you. You did.
I have not done nothing wrong. I have not done nothing wrong. I don't know. I've done nothing wrong. Come on, man. Don't break my arm.
Then relax and give me your arm.
Don't relax and give me your arm. Y'all shot kids out here.
Give me your arm.
Y'all shot kids out here for less, man.
Give me your arm.
Y'all shot kids out here for less, man.
Give me your arm.
Man, I'm a big man.
You are.
I don't want you to take me down. I don't want to take you down.
Then relax and
you relax. Get off. I ain't done nothing to break no laws.
You did.
I ain't done. Please record all of this.
Okay.
I've done nothing to break no law.
Give me your hand.
Hey, come on, man.
Don't grab me.
Don't grab me.
No,
Why
I'm trying
are
to
grabbing
detain
me,
you,
man?
sir. Because I'm trying to explain the law to you, and
Come
you're
on.
not.
No, there is no law.
Yes,
there
there
is
is.
no law for leaving
Yes,
your car
there is.
running. I'm in
Yes,
the
there
store.
is.
I'm in
Yes,
the
there
store
is.
getting your cigar. I just seen you.
Yes, there is.
Come on, you're just harassing me, man. Get off me now, man.
No, I'm gonna throw you on the ground here in a second.
Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. Man, what are you doing, man? Get off me.
Oh my God!
All right, I'll give up. I give up. I give up. I give up. I give up.
Lay on your stomach. Lay on your stomach.
I give up. I give up, man. I give up, man. I give up, man. Get off my arm. Come on, man. I give up, man. What the fuck, man?
Put your other hand behind my back.
What the fuck, man?
Other hand behind your back.
Man. Come on, man. Come on, man.
The man was in the store. The man.
Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. I ain't reaching
reach
for
for
shit.
nothing.
I ain't reaching for shit. Come on, man. This shit is crazy, fool. This shit is crazy, fool.
Not what happened.
Did y'all see this shit?
I've been here the whole time.
I watched it.
Yeah, we're right here too.
Did y'all? It's all on film. I didn't do shit.
Over here.
In that man's car, period.
Man, I didn't even do shit, man.
Stand up.
Man, I give up, man. Come on, man. Get these fucking cuffs off me, man. You break.
Well, I'm not getting the cuffs off of you.
For what? I ain't did nothing, man.
Here, come sit in my car.
Hey,
It's totally crazy.
hey, that number. Call my girl right now. Call my girl right now.
You want Stop trying to reach for
I'm not
stuff.
reaching for shit. I'm looking at my hand.
Hang on,
man.
I haven't searched them yet.
I'm looking at my. I ain't see it.
You on probation or parole?
No.
Okay, do you have ID on you anywhere?
It's in my back pocket.
Okay.
I ain't did shit.
Chill out, dude.
Chill out. Look, it's on film. I ain't did nothing.
It is.
It's all on film. I ain't did shit.
Okay, have a seat for a second.
I have a seat, man, but I ain't did shit, bro. Hey.
What can I do for you, all right?
Beeper anymore?
No.
Can you take this wrist off me and shake
Nope.
my wrist?
You good?
Yeah, I'm good. Smashed my hand on something. So, I don't know my little strap on. Probably the female statement and probably the clerk statement too. So, this is his car. Fix the camera. He knocked the camera off.
This thing is great.
This gray one, yeah. He comes in. I'm in the store. I'm watching him, and he gets out, leaves the car running, has the stereo just blasting like crazy. So I come out and I said, "Hey, come out and shut your car off." So I ain't doing nothing, man. So I said, "Come out." I ain't doing nothing. So I shut the car off. Because that's the car running. I'm trying to explain to him it's against the law to leave your car running. So I'm right here. So it doesn't matter that you're right there. I'm just trying to talk to him, and he gets on the phone and starts screaming, cussing, yelling. So I'm just like, I'm trying to explain to him what the deal is. So, well, if you're not going to listen, I'm just going to give you a citation for it. And so he's like, "You ain't getting nothing from me. You ain't getting nothing from me. It ain't get the law. I didn't break no law. The law of the car running in the city of Sacramento without a, here, I'm shutting this off. This is videotaping.